Hello guys, this is Shreya and you are watching me on Shreya Knowledge Hub. Guys, today I am going to discuss with you that how you can learn to speak in English and how you can speak in English very fluently. Guys, I will tell you that there are 5 things on which you have to do so much focus if you want to speak in English very fluently. Guys, those 5 things are reading, writing, thinking, listening and speaking. If you want to learn to speak in English very fluently and if you want to speak in English very fluently, then you must learn all these 5 things and you must focus on all these 5 things, because if you don't focus on these things, you can't speak in English very fluently. Guys, I have seen one thing, that many people are there who don't want to learn grammar. They don't want to know anything about grammar because they think that grammar is a very boring thing and they can speak English very fluently just without learning grammar. Because guys, I want to tell you that we are not Americans and our native language is not English. So how you can think that we can learn English and we can speak in English very fluently without learning grammar and without learning anything about grammar? Because guys, grammar is the base of any language, and without knowing the base of any language, how you can speak in that language and how you can be fluent in that language? I don't say that guys that you have to learn all the advanced concepts of grammar, all the advanced things in grammar. You just are required to learn just basic grammar to know any language and to speak in any language fluently. You are not required to learn all the advanced concepts. You just learn basic things, then you will be able to understand anything in English. You will be able to speak in English very fluently. Without that, you can't do. Now we come to the main point, guys. As I told you before that I will tell you 5 things. I will tell you about 5 things on which you have to focus if you want to learn to speak in English very fluently. Those 5 things are, guys, reading, writing, listening, speaking and thinking. Now we come to our first point, that is reading. You have to do reading on a daily basis if you want to speak in English fluently. Because guys, without reading, you can't learn. You have to read, guys, newspapers, you can read any books, anything you can read, but that should be in English. What will happen, guys, with reading? It will happen that you will learn many new words, you will be able to learn how sentences are formed, how to form them, many new things you will learn. You will learn many new things like how to structure the sentences, how you can improve your English, how you can do anything. You will learn everything and it is the basic if you want to learn to speak in English. Now we come to our second point, guys, that is writing. What you have to write? You have to write whatever you have done in your whole day. You can write anything, whatever comes in your mind. You have to write that in English. And how you can do that if you don't know anything in English? You can just find the meaning of those sentences, or not only sentences, you can find the meaning of those words which you don't know. So you can find that by taking the help of Google, by taking the help of any online apps. You can find many dictionaries are there available. You can take the help of those and you can write all those things, whatever you have read from your books, from your newspapers. Your vocabulary will be improved by that, guys. So please write anything, you just write, but write, because it will improve your English. Now we come to our third point, that is thinking. It sounds little strange that how can I think? You can think by whatever you are thinking, many thoughts are running in your mind. You have to think that in English. As you think in Hindi, whatever you are thinking in Hindi, right? So you have to think that how can I say that sentence in English? How can I translate that sentence in English? Of some words, it might happen that you don't know the meaning. Same thing you can do. You can take the help of dictionary. You can take the help of any online app to find the meaning of those words. But you just start thinking in English. believe me guys, it will improve your English so much, because I also have tried to do so, and I also have improved my English because of only that thing. If I would haven't done that thing, I would never speak in English like this. I don't say that I am very fluent and I am very expert, but whatever I am just because of thinking. Because if you will not think, then you can't do anything. So you just start thinking, guys. Now we come to our fourth point, that is listening. What you have to listen, guys? You have to listen, or you can watch many movies that is in English. You can listen the news in English. You can watch any YouTube channel in English. Anything you can listen, or anything you can watch in English. Because guys, if you don't improve your listening skills, how you can improve and how you can understand whatever any person is saying to you in English. So if you want to do that, you have to improve your listening skills. So guys, you just start watching movies in English. Don't waste your time in Hindi movies. Don't waste your time in watching Hindi news. Just start watching English news channels. Start watching English movies. Whatever entertainment channels you are adopting, you just start all those things in English. Okay guys? Now we come to our fifth point, that is speaking. How you can speak in English? You can just try to speak with your family members. You can talk to your family members even if they don't want to talk, even if they don't know how to talk in English. You can just talk. You can, whatever you are just saying to them, whatever you are talking to them, you just first tell in English. Then if they don't know, then you tell in Hindi. Because guys, it will improve your speaking skills. Because if you will think that they don't know to speak in English, they don't understand, you will not say to them anything in English, and whatever will happen, what will happen? Your English will not be improved. Where you are now, there you will be tomorrow also, and you will be always. Okay guys, so don't waste your time. Just start speaking with your family, and after that you go outside, you talk with your family members, you talk with your colleagues, your friends, and everybody else. You just talk in English. Okay guys, and guys, only this much in today's video. In our upcoming videos, we will tell you many more things about how you can speak in English, how you can improve your English. Many things we will tell you. And guys, if you liked our video, then please press the like button. If you want to get the latest video updates of our channel, then please press the subscribe button. And if you want to get the latest video updates of our channel, then please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.